Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Emma, and today I'll be talking about one of my favorite topics, hobbies and free time activities. So, grab a snack, sit back, and let's get started. This video is perfect for anyone learning English at an A2 level, so let's practice some vocabulary and phrases together. When I'm not studying or working, I love to fill my time with activities that make me happy and help me relax. Everyone has different hobbies and interests. Some people enjoy sports, while others like to read or play music. So in today's video, I'm going to share some of my favorite hobbies and free time activities. Let's start. First, let's talk about reading. Reading is a big part of my life. I love getting lost in a good book. My favorite genres are mystery and fantasy because they take me to new worlds and let me experience exciting adventures. I usually read in the evenings before bed because it helps me relax. If you enjoy reading, let me know what your favorite books are in the comments. Another activity I enjoy is playing the guitar. I started learning the guitar a few years ago, and now it's one of my favorite things to do. It's such a great way to express myself and unwind. I try to practice for at least 30 minutes a day. Playing music helps me focus and is a perfect break from studying. Exercise is very important to me as well. I enjoy going for a run in the park or riding my bike around my neighborhood. I also love hiking, especially on weekends when I have more free time. Being outside in nature makes me feel refreshed and happy. Exercising is a great way to stay healthy, and it also gives me energy for the rest of the day. Now let's talk about cooking. I've recently started cooking more, and it's been really fun. I love trying out new recipes, especially baking cakes and cookies. It's a creative activity that also has a delicious reward at the end. Cooking also allows me to learn about different cultures and flavors from around the world. If you enjoy cooking, what's your favorite recipe to make? Sometimes, when I just want to relax, I watch movies or series. I usually watch them in English to practice my language skills. My favorite genre is comedy, but I also enjoy watching action and adventure movies. Watching movies in another language is a fun way to learn new words and understand different accents. Plus, it's a great way to unwind after a busy day. Lastly, spending time with friends and family is also very important to me. We often go to the park, have picnics, or play board games together. It's so nice to take a break from technology and connect with people face to face. Laughing and sharing stories with loved ones is something I truly cherish. So, those are some of my favorite hobbies and free time activities. I believe it's important to find activities that make you happy and give you a break from daily responsibilities. What are your hobbies? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about them. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. I hope you all find time to enjoy your favorite activities today. Bye for now. This video is perfect for learners who want to practice English by listening to everyday vocabulary about hobbies and free time activities. Remember, it's okay to watch it more than once and repeat the words out loud to practice your pronunciation. Until next time, happy learning. Bye for now.